Ever wondered how to make big money on Amazon without spending all day hunting for deals? What if I told you there's a way to buy products in bulk, sell them for profit, and let Amazon handle the heavy lifting? Welcome to the world of Amazon Wholesale. Stick around and I'll show you how to turn bulk buying into bulk profits. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to start your Amazon empire. Let's get started. First things first, let's break down what Amazon Wholesale is and how it's different from retail arbitrage. With wholesale, you're buying bulk quantities of products directly from manufacturers or authorized distributors at a discounted price. Think buying 500 units of a hot-selling item at once. Retail arbitrage is like being a treasure hunter. You scour retail stores for discounted items or clearance sales, buying low to sell high. So while retail arbitrage is great cardio, wholesale lets you scale your business without running a marathon. Now, let's find you some reliable suppliers. Here's how you do it. Start with platforms like Alibaba, Global Sources, or SaleWho. These sites connect you with manufacturers worldwide. Check for verified supplier badges, read reviews, and look at transaction histories. Reach out with a professional email expressing interest. Don't be shy to negotiate prices, suppliers expect it. Think of it as haggling at a market, but in your pajamas. Pro tip, always request product samples before committing to a large order. You don't want to end up with 500 units of something that belongs in a dollar store bargain bin. Now that you've got your products, let's get them listed on Amazon. Go to sellercentral.amazon.com and sign up. Choose the professional plan if you plan to sell more than 40 items a month. In Seller Central, click on Inventory and then add a product. If your product already exists on Amazon, you can list under the existing ASIN. If it's a new product, you'll need to create a new listing. This includes writing a compelling title, bullet points, and a detailed description. Use tools like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout to find high-ranking keywords relevant to your product. Check out your competition and set a price that gives you a healthy profit margin while remaining attractive to buyers. Remember, we want to make money, not just make friends. I highly recommend using Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. Send your bulk products to Amazon's warehouse and they handle storage, shipping and customer service. Pro tip, keep an eye on inventory levels in Seller Central to avoid stockouts, which can hurt your ranking. Now that you're up and running, let's talk about managing those bulk orders and scaling up. Use inventory management tools to track sales velocity and predict when you'll need to reorder. Keep an eye on your buy box percentage, customer reviews, and seller rating. Think of these as your business's report card. You want straight A's. Once you're comfortable, consider adding more products to your catalog to increase revenue streams. Pro tip, reinvest a portion of your profits into new inventory or marketing to fuel growth. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. Here are some challenges you might face and how to tackle them. High competition can squeeze margins. Differentiate by offering superior customer service or bundling products. Delays or quality issues can hurt your business. Maintain good relationships and have backup suppliers. Stay updated on Amazon's policies to avoid account suspensions. Trust me, you don't want to be on Amazon's naughty list. And there you have it. You've just unlocked the secrets to making money with Amazon Wholesale. It's a journey that requires effort, but the rewards can be incredible. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more insider tips on e-commerce success. Got questions or want to share your own experiences? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Now go out there and turn those bulk buys into bulk profits. Remember, the only limit is how much inventory you can sell. And with Amazon, that's practically limitless. Happy selling!